What's going on, everyone? You are welcome to another episode of Rewriting Your Story and Improving the Quality of Your Life. You see, if you are ever going to rewrite your story and improve the quality of your life, you need to live intentional. And in order to live intentional, you need a lot of ideas. But the question you need to ask yourself is this: how do I know that the ideas that come to me are the right ones for me to live by? Which is why in this episode, we will be looking at an interesting phrase I came across in this book called Living by Strategy by Professor Stephen Adei. But before we delve into it, kindly ensure that you are subscribed or following this page, and if you are not, consider doing so now because there are more incredible content coming up. So in this book, the chapter 6 features what Professor Stephen Adei calls the 12 habits of highly effective self-leaders. Okay, and the first of the list is what he calls organizing principle of life. Now, in the book, Professor Stephen Adei makes an interesting assertion that I want us to look at. He says, most successful and effective persons organize their life around one dominating theme that guides them as to what they do and how they live. In other words, your life is an event, and your organizing principle is the theme for that event. So as a human being, you need to have an organizing principle that helps you to make your decisions and to take actions on certain things. I was fortunate to have a conversation with Professor Stephen Adei on his book, and one of the areas that we had a lengthy discussion on was organizing principle. Okay. Now he said that for him, he is a factory of ideas, because every day a lot of crazy ideas come into his mind, and the way he is able to filter out the wrong ideas from the good ones is to apply his organizing principle, which is a question. And the question goes like, what would Jesus have me do? So after the discussion, I adopted Romans chapter 12 verse 1 and 2 as my organizing principle for that particular year. And as we speak currently, my organizing principle is calm, collected, and confident. Now, I would like to know what your organizing principle is and how you intend to utilize this theme in your life in rewriting your story and improving the quality of your life. I do hope you learned something today. If you did, kindly leave a thumbs up on this video and share it with someone who needs to see this. I will see you again with another video. But before we come again tomorrow, make sure you are subscribed or following, and if you are not already, consider doing so now. Till we meet again tomorrow, peace out.